Hi everyone, we are from Team 12. We are going to present a project on Green Card panels. We are a team of 4 members. He is Akash, she is Venala, she is Sridharni, and now the Venala will describe about the project objective.
Hi everyone, this is Venla from Team 12. Now I am going to discuss about the project objective of our project title Green Card panels. We are going to design a timer-based project utilizing Arduino to automate the solar panel cleaning. By the way, we are incorporating the servo motor and vacuum pump in order to work of the self-cleaning solar. The existing solutions of the project are robotic solar panel cleaners, waterless cleaning systems, suction-based cleaning systems, and solar panel coatings. From solar panel cleanings, there are hydrophobic coatings and ultrasonic cleanings. And in the waterless cleaning systems, we clean the solar panels without water. And in the suction-based cleaning systems, we clean the solar panels by pouring the water from the tanks, and the cleaning will be done. The issue or project will be described by my teammate Sridharan.
I am going to discuss about the issue of our project. In our daily use, we will keep the solar panels on the top of the house, and day by day the dust is settling on the top of the solar panel, and it is becoming a very big issue to clean the solar panels. So here we came with an idea that it is Gleam Guard panels. Gleaming means it is a mechanism to clean, and the dust accumulation reduces the solar panel efficiency. The debris create the shading, it's limiting sunlight absorption, and increased cleaning cost and labor for upkeep. Now Akash will come and discuss about the user requirements and the gaps in the existing solution.
Myself Akash, I am going to describe about the user requirements of our project. Our project, as we use solar panels, it will produce green and clean energy, which using our project, the efficiency of the solar panel should be increased, and our project we can buy at lowest cost, and it can produce efficient energy with minimum power. Gaps in existing solutions, as existing solutions which are highly costed and other solutions are solar panels are to be cleaned by human beings, which as solar panels are fixed at higher locations, the cleaning of solar panels, which is the biggest task nowadays, so that we have came up with this project. Using our project, we can clean solar panels easily. Now Vinesh will explain methodology of our project.
The methodology of the project consists of 5 parts, and in that the first part will be the installation of Viper mechanism, and then the installation of micro submersible pump motor, and then the Viper mechanism, and the execution of the micro submersible pump motor, and then the time delay mechanism. I will explain about how the components will work in our project. So here the power will be obtained, and this is the water sucking mechanism, this is the micro submersible pump motor, and this is the Arduino microcontroller which controls all the components. This is the 5V relay module which controls the working of the micro submersible pump motor, and this is the Viper, and it will do the rotations in such a way that it will initialize properly and goes to 0 degrees position, and from the 0 degrees position it will comes to 0 to 180 degrees, and then 180 to 0 degrees. And when these 2 rotations will be completed, again the micro submersible pump motor will be initiated. After the initiation of micro submersible pump motor, after 3 seconds it will stop working, and the overall these all things are called as the 1 cycle. After completion of 1 cycle, there will be a time delay of 5 seconds, and after the time delay again the same execution will be done. So that's all about our project. I hope you people liked it. Thank you.